Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you want to strengthen your immune system naturally without pills or synthetic supplements, this video is for you. Your immune system is your first line of defense, and there are quick, powerful ways to support it starting today. Let's talk about how to boost it instantly using natural science-backed strategies. Number 1. Hydrate with purpose. Your lymphatic system, which carries immune cells throughout your body, relies on water. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and keeps your cells functioning at their best. Add lemon for vitamin C and natural detox support. Number 2, get direct sunlight. Just 15 minutes of sunlight can help your body produce vitamin D, which is crucial for immune regulation. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to increased risk of infections and chronic inflammation. Number 3, eat immune-boosting foods. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, and leafy greens contain compounds that stimulate immune cell activity and lower inflammation. A study showed that people who consumed more fruits and vegetables had significantly stronger immune responses. Number 4, prioritize sleep. Poor sleep weakens immune function and increases stress hormones. Just one night of bad sleep can reduce your body's natural killer cell activity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep, consistent rest. Number 5, reduce sugar and processed foods. Sugar suppresses immune function for hours after you eat it. If you're consuming processed snacks daily, your immune system is constantly under strain and more vulnerable to viruses and inflammation. So, the real secret? Strengthening your immune system isn't about quick fixes. It's about reducing inflammation, detoxing gently, and fueling your body with healing foods every day. That's why I created the Astra diet, which I outline in my book, Eat to Heal. It's a doctor-designed anti-inflammatory plan that helps your immune system thrive naturally without relying on medications or harsh cleanses. And to make your journey easier, I'm offering a free health coach consultation where you'll learn how to apply the STR diet to your specific health goals and immune challenges. Just click the link below to get your copy of Eat to Heal and claim your free consultation today.